أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Viewers, today we are doing lesson number 13, that is about Tashdeed. Tashdeed means a sign looks like Shadda. So whenever this sign comes, that means we need to have stress or force over the letter. As an English letter W, it looks like W, but it is an Arabic sign which comes over the letter, and whenever it comes we have to make a small stress, a focus, a force over the letter because it gives the strength of two letters. We are going to do the exercise of Tashdeed. Before we start the exercise of Tashdeed, very important thing about Tashdeed, I tell you that the first thing is what the letter has Shadda over. Whichever the letter has Shadda over, it is called Mushaddad. And whenever there are haruf qalqala, like the echo letters, the 5 echo letters, whenever the sign of Tashdeed is over these 5 letters, we need to have extra stress and emphasized echo. The 5 echo letters, qutubujad. We come to the exercise, and in the exercise the first few lines are very simple, very easy, because first they make you know about how we have to say the Tashdeed and what it sounds about, and after that the difficult examples will be started. So we can start from the first box. I put my pointer in the first box and we can start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is, you can read after me so that you can practice how to read it with the signs and without the signs. So it is Hamza ta fatha at ta fatha ta at ta at ta, to present the 2 letters strength in the power of 2 letters, because as I told you that Shadda means there are 2 letters inside. The first one is having sukoon over and the second one is having the sign which is showing on the letter or under the letter. So here there's fatha over ta, so we need to say at-ta, at-ta. It looks like a sudden pause as well. So the second box is Hamza ta kasra it ta fatha ta it ta it ta. Some people or some students, they say like to mention with the sign of Tashdeed like Hamza ta Shadda. That is also okay, but if you say with the signs which are showing over, that is more easy, that is more convenient. So that box is Hamza ta Dhamma ut ta fatha ta ut ta, and then the next 4th box is at-ta, and ta, the red one, is from echo letters. So here we have to have more stress. Hamza ta fatha at ta fatha ta at ta at ta, and then Hamza. Ta is also an echo letter and ta is also a heavy letter, haruf musta'aliya, as Hamza ta kasra it ta fatha ta it ta. Try to speak about after me, because this way you will learn more. And then third box is Hamza ta Dhamma ut ta fatha ta ut ta. So all together we say these 3 boxes, Hamza it ta ut ta. And the next line is Hamza za fatha az za fatha za. Za, za is from the whistling letters. Here we have to whistle like these are the haruf safiriya. Za is one of the haruf safiriya from the pronunciation, so here we have to have a whistling, a little bit whistling, so that it be prominent that what is the difference between za and zal. So here azza, the sound is azza. The second box is Hamza za kasra is za fatha za is za, and then Hamza za Dhamma uz za fatha za uzza. So all together it is azza izza uzza. Now the zal has difference of sound from za and zal. Za has whistling and zal has no whistling. So here we say Hamza zal fatha az zal fatha za azza, and then it is Hamza zal kasra is zal fatha za izza, and then Hamza zal Dhamma uz zal fatha za uzza. So all together it is adha, idha, udha. So these are the two lines done, and then the third line. The third line also gives us the difference between dha and tha. Dha and tha, both of them, they have no whistling. Dha is a heavy letter and tha comes from the same pronunciation. So this line is very important because this will make you practice about the letters which come from the same pronunciation. So the third line starts from hamza, dha, fatha, adh, dha, fatha, dha, Allah, and then hamza, dhaf, kasra, idh, dhaf, hadha, idha, and then hamza, dha, dhamma, udh, dhaf, hadha, udha. So all together, adha, idha, udha. Remember that all the letters which come in their different shapes, in different sounds, they come with the practice. And the practice, good time for practice is like when you're empty belly in the morning time after the before the breakfast. So that is a good time to revise the pronunciation of the letters, because that way your mouth will produce the sound very clear, and very authentic sound of the letter will come from the throat and empty belly in the morning time. So whenever you practice dha and tha, and especially ain and ha, these letters you practice in the morning. The next one is hamza, tha, fatha, ath, tha, fatha, tha, atha, and then hamza, tha, kasra, ith, tha, fatha, tha, itha, and then hamza, tha, dhamma, uth, tha, fatha, tha, utha. So all together it is atha, itha, utha. Once again, atha, itha, utha. Now I'm scrolling down the page so that to show you some difficult examples. This lesson again will have two parts because I don't want to burdenize the small kids who are watching my video, who are listening to me. So I want them, they can do easily and nicely the letters and the sounds of the words. It will not be like stressing them, it will not be burden on them. So we can do one line only, one more line with the difficult examples. I'm highlighting it with the blue color, and this is the line. It comes in this page, the first line. So this line we are going to do from the beginning. It's not very difficult, but it's different from the beginning, which we have been doing from the beginning. So it is a little different from them. These are the combination of more than two letters together. Before we were been connecting two letters, now they are more than two letters, or after that they will be like 4 letters, 5 letters, 6 letters together. The practice of Shadda, and all these words are taken from the Holy Quran. All the words, whether they are small, whether they are bigger, they are taken from the Holy Quran to make us practice that whenever we do the Shadda in the Holy Quran, it makes us easy. So we do this line from the beginning. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Ra, Ba, Fatha, Rab, Ba, Kasra, Bi, Rabbi, and then the second box is Ra, Ba, Fatha, Rab, Ba, Ya, Kasra, Bi, Rabbi. See the difference? The first box was only Rabbi, one half of the alif length. The length of half alif was given in the first box, but here we have to give the length of one alif because ya is from the mother letters and it has kasra behind, so it is Rabbi, a little longer from the previous one. The third one is Ra, Ba, Fatha, Rab, Ba, Kasra, Bi, Rabbi, and then Ha standing kasra, Hi, Rabbihi, Rabbihi. This standing kasra also has the same length of mother letters as to lengthen it one alif longer. And then comes Hamza, Noon, Kasra, In, Noon, Fathana, Inna. Remember, whenever there is Noon Shadda anywhere in the Holy Quran, we have to have gunna over here, because this is the rule of idgham yarmaloon. Idgham yarmaloon says, like whenever noon comes after noon sakin is if there's another noon, so we have to mix up the first noon to the other one, and there's gunna. So because of idgham yarmaloon, we have to say gunna whenever we see the noon shadda in the Holy Quran. Wherever it comes, we have to do the gunna. So here also the example was inna, and gunna's length is 1 alif. And in the next box is hamza noon kasra in, noon alif fatha na, inna. And then the last box is hamza noon kasra in, noon ya kasra ni, inni. So noon has shadda one alif length, and ya has also mudda letter, so 1 alif length. So we gave 2 alifs length, one is to noon and one is to ya. So these are the examples for today's lesson, for today's video. As I told you, like this video also will have 2 parts. The first part we have done about the definition and the small examples, and the next video inshallah will come soon about the Urdu translation, because the same video I will translate in Urdu for my Urdu viewers who cannot like speak or understand English. So I will translate for them in Urdu, and inshallah the third video will come about the second part of lesson number 13. Inshallah, likewise the other videos. And thank you so much for watching and listening to me. May Allah accept all of your prayers, all of your pleas, all of your wishes, your good wishes for your family, for your kids, for yourself. May Allah accept them all, and may Allah give you a long life, a good healthy life, to me, to you, to all your kids, and to all Muslim ummah. And may Allah forgive us for all our sins, whether they are small, whether they are bigger, and whether they are seen, they are unseen. May Allah forgive us all, Ameen. And may Allah help the Muslims in Palestine, Ameen, Ameen, inshallah. May Allah give them the victory, and may Allah make our generations on Islam and to practice Islam and to be a good practical Muslims, Ameen, inshallah. Thank you so much viewers. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.